Me brothers and me sisters them, this now my brother again, Lance and Sako with the hidden truth. Today, I want to talk to you now about a report from the BBC Focus on Africa by Umaru Fofana, a wonderful, honest, and transparent reporter na Sierra Leone and the whole of West Africa. A very fine journalist, I might add. Me brothers and me sisters them, we hear it today again from BBC that the money where the whole world gives Sierra Leone for the mudslide way kill over 1,000 people them na Sugar Hill, Loaf, na Freetown 4 months ago. The APC party, they use this money again for finance, then campaign, make them sponsor, then candidates them for win election again. Me brothers and me sisters them, the money I want make una hear again, the money where the whole world send to the people that way lost lives, we lost the houses there and then property there. That same money, now in the president way we choose for make a sorry for we. Now that money, it take a finance the campaign for make Samura Kamara win election. When them poor people in there, na Sugar Loaf Hill, lost them property, their houses them, their wealth, them picking them, them mama them, then granny them, then auntie them, then cousin them, and then friends them. Over 1,000 of them people and then die. Then we own president, he left them people here in the cold. We all know Hamatan 10 like this. The place cold. Them people and they been there at the Don Bosco's house. They don't kick them out of Don Bosco's house. They not give them place for go. According to one of the inhabitants of the Don Bosco's house and the victim of the flood, he said the first money we then give them now $103. The second money now about $130, and then the third one $240. Una know how many millions the world send na Sierra Leone? Una know how many millions the Sierra Leoneans the way they all around the world will sympathize with the situation, show patriotism, kindness to the young brothers and sisters where them put together and send. When them money then they supposed for build houses for them people then they even a low income 2-bedroom and living room house. Give to them people and they make them go daily. Now reports don't come on say that they use that money for make sure say Samura Kamara win and then the members of parliament win election. Let the same APC come again, just like how it don't victimize the mudslide victims, make it can continue for victimize Sierra Leonean citizens there again. Me brothers and me sisters, let we get sense, make we think, make we left for the loyal to party, make we loyal to a candidate way good, a candidate way go do well for the country, not to a party. Because the man way Ernest Koroma choose, Ernest Koroma get power over that man. If he win, the same Ernest Koroma way they victimize Sierra Leoneans right now, na go get for control this same man how the country for go and waiting for do. Meaning, would they give him another power again for make a victimized way? Make we not allow that. Me brothers and me sisters. Make we not allow that. This Ernest Koroma and the APC government, for far too long, they don't take advantage of which the Sierra Leoneans them. This na another slap in the guts of Sierra Leoneans. How long we go sit down as Sierra Leoneans? How long? For make them people there the full way, and then we sit down and they talk say, na me grandpa in party, na me papa na make this party, me uncle na this party even day, so na this party at the day, na this at the vote for, no matter what. Make we stop that thinking, na a dangerous way of thinking. We the give APC nef for make a slaughter way. Then what we done at the end of the day, we want complain. Now we self they do unto we self. Because if we not give them power, they're not going to do them. Look at the Ebola money. The Ebola, according to the Red Cross, not to Sierra Leonean. This man, na the director of Red Cross, na Senegalese or Gambian. 8 to 14 million na Sierra Leone don thief na the Ebola fund. Today, they say anti-corruption, nothing no come inside over 2 years. Nobody know your about them. Then people here, they fly, they go see Pope in groups. For let Pope go pray for them after we they don't victimize them people them. Then they send them picking them abroad. Let's say now from Eastern Police to Waterloo. It don't mean nothing to them, not cost them nothing. Then they go to the door to and they spend $5,000 per that woman one night or bill us for them. When me and you, they suffer, but we ready again, we they go say we're loyal to our party. This is not nonsense, my brothers and sisters. Them. Now the same people in this, we don't eat money for people that wait for go Mecca. We all see that one day. The people that wait for go Mecca, then give them how many tickets from Mecca. Mecca, they always give scholarship tickets to poor countries as charity for make them go perform pilgrimage. People that will believe in the Islamic religion, that now one of the 5 pillars of Islam, for you make Hajj once in your lifetime if you can afford it. And then people then don't ready prepare and ready for take that oath for go do the young Hajj, make them fulfill their religious obligations. Then they can't get a disappointment, say APC within government again don't interfere, they don't play criminal activities where then people are not able to go. Instead of them give the people that will deserve the ticket, then they take the ticket then sell them to other people, then put the money in their pocket, build 5 houses and drive nice cars. Me Sierra Leonean brothers and sisters, let we left for the align we self to a party. If you loyal to your party, you're not loyal to your country, you're not a patriot. If you loyal to a candidate, you're not loyal to your country, you're not a patriot. If you loyal to your mama in party, your papa in party, instead of the interest of the 7 million Sierra Leoneans, not ever sit down there you talk say you not a patriotic Sierra Leone, because you not a one at all. This it don't go inside my heart. It don't really matter. We don't tire for hearing them kind of thing there. Waiting me go submit to the people of Sierra Leone, because this complaint here done too much. After the regime or the government of the APC make we find an inquiry of commission of inquiry, make we prosecute everybody were involved in all these 3 important scandals: the Ebola, the mudslide, and the Hajj gate. Plus, make we check the records since we then in our power. We say waiting and don't thief from Sierra Leoneans. Then we get an independent judiciary. We go conduct a fair trial and convict whoever is guilty. The one we they not find guilty, make them release them, make them go free without witch hunt. This done too much. Do ya, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow Sierra Leoneans, them are the big una. Make we kick them people there out of power. I submit to una say, somebody like a Dr. Kande Kole Yumkela no go allow this at all. The man don't do for the country before ever it they become for say he want run for president. 9 important things then for that country day. We pray they one sweet. We married one sweet now the bachelor's eve you see. This man don't do that. If Kande Yumkela assume that state house, it go stop this corruption, it go stop that kind of nonsense there. Una yeri Kande Yumkela every year $60 to $100 million na in the government of APC na in then the thief. Every year, $60 to $100 million. Something we go through education and health department, improve the agricultural sector. But if they go now, then your pocket, then the 7 million people then can suffer. Make we not allow this to happen, my brothers and my sisters. Dr. Kande Kole Yumkela, now that make it, they always do a homework. When he do his homework, he bring account to you. Now, an honorable man, if the man not get one problem where he work for with man for 30 years, nobody not tell us say he don't thief. Nobody not fire him. That alone for don't show you say now then kind people there you for put now then kind position. And not get no blemish, and not get no implication. One day they not fire him. He married for 30 years with the same woman. That for show you now whose kind character way somebody like a Dr. Kande Yumkela gets. I know they talk about Kande Yumkela because I like him personally. I not hate am, but na my country I love, but I love in vision and in plan wey e want for Sierra Leone. Now that make I dey support am, not for post, not for anything. So ladies and gentlemen, this election, March 7, 2018, make we vote APC out and put Dr. Kande Kole-Yum-Kela in. Because the SLPP, not to opposition, now dog will not get teeth. They're not the back, then the back, but they're not the bite. One day when I not see them, then I treat them, they demonstrate with all these three atrocities them, whereby Kroma don't commit against Sierra Leoneans them. Crime against humanity, na in a do against we. We will not see SLPP, they run the street, they demonstrate. Then sit down and then set them out. Because then they lock all them out with brown envelope. When you talk, then say road. Thank you very much. This again, now my brother, Lansana Sako with the Hidden Truth. God bless you. God bless Sierra Leone.